Okay guys, first pick of the day. Day chicken. See if it's this one. Hey, how are you? I got a pickup for Stephanie. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay guys, we got it. Now let's get on the way. Next pickup is from Grubhub. From this place right here. When I took the offer was 4 something miles for close to $10, so hopefully you have it ready. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Stephanie.
Stephanie? Ay, me chingo siempre, me golpearon esa mano.
Okay guys, so next drop off is over here at the Permit Center. Hi, Stephanie. Pickup of the day. It is a double order, kind of like a little, far, but mile to ratio is still good, and time to ratio still decent. So for Country Club Cafe, so from Uber Eats. So let me take it. Okay guys, so I had to wait a little bit because they didn't have the order ready. Well, they have one, but not the other one. Anyway, so somebody ordered like strawberry shake. Not gonna make it, guys. It's not going to make it. It's too hot, and this customer I believe is going too far. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and get on the way. Here, and now I'm looking to see if I can find the address for these people. Now the challenge is I don't see any 22282. Could that be? Yeah, I don't see the address over here. Oh, as usual, no address. Okay, no. Maybe it's not here. Let me go check over there, guys. Sometimes Uber doesn't just send you straight. I believe it's that one. Of course, but of course you cannot see the number here. I see that. Now that's 2240. No, 2240 must be the other one then. At least this one has the number. I think it's that one over here. Okay, yeah, 22282. That one. Okay guys, that's done. Now let's get on the way. I cannot even see it, but it's right there. Okay guys, so let's get on the way. It is from Grubhub, Uber Eats, McDonald's here. I don't like this McDonald's. I have bad experience with them, especially they close super early. It just sucks. The drive-thru is terrible. Hopefully they have the loading open. It's too early to close. So let me check. See a lot of people in the drive-thru. Okay. Okay, so let me go to this. So we got it. Cheap. Telling you guys, this McDonald's is the worst McDonald's in town. Not only because they close super early, the drive-thru is terrible, but the most important part, you know, I give you the drive-thru. Maybe you guys are busy, it's super crowded, but during the day, you gotta have the shit ready, really well organized. To like the other McDonald's that I go, they're perfect. Like they got the shit together. Anyway, so we got it. It's a little offer, like $9 for like 4 miles, but it's putting me in my location, so that's why I took it. And I got a pickup from this place, heading kind of similar direction from Uber Eats, so I'm going to pair it with Grubhub, buy items. Okay guys, so we got it. So let me put it in the car, and now let's finish this drop-off. Here, dropping off the first order from Grubhub. So 77120, and then I guess the customer said that it was some building C. Let me check. C18. So now I just need to find out, as usual. Okay, so probably it's on the other side. C18, 118. Probably is this one, right? Yeah, it's right here. So it goes 6. Okay, right here. Oh, pretty good. Okay, that's done. Now, let's get on the way, guys. Think about dinner shift. It is from Chipotle. It is from Grubhub. When I took the offer was 4.5 miles. $11. Thank you.
Anything is good.
Yes, for date. Thank you very much. You too. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. I'm here, so let me drop it off. Okay guys, let's go. We are here at the river. Next pickup is from the Cheesecake Factory. So this one is a little far. It's 11 miles for $23. So hopefully we can get something heading in the same direction on Uber Eats. We get lucky. This one is not bad, especially if I'm going Grubhub, Monterey. Okay, so I think I'm going to take that and take the Cheesecake Factory one. So the one from Cheesecake Factory. Now I got another one from a Philippine restaurant. So gee, that other one was good, but it got snack. The next one, hopefully have it ready. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Joel. This one. Thank you. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. Seven. Okay guys, it's done. Over here. No. Let me get this straight. Okay guys, next pickup it is from Grill a Burger. This is, to me, it is the best place to get a burger. They're not cheap, but they're good. They're pretty good. So far this one, Grill a Burger. When you eat a burger, you know, you feel like it's very, you know, tasty and it digests well. Okay, so let me see if they have it ready. Got it now. Let me bag it and get on the way. Here, the guy said to knock loud on the door. Jeez. Got gigantic dog. Pickup it is from Grubhub. I think it was 11. It's a double order. 11 miles for $28, and then there was a DoorDash going for 11 miles, kind of similar direction, for another $21.50. But I didn't take it because one of these Grubhub pickups is a complicated pickup. It is inside the mall, so, and then with the time for DoorDash, I couldn't make it to the other restaurant, so I had to let it go. So I paused DoorDash right now, and hopefully after I get this pickup, I can, you know, maybe I'm lucky I get another pickup heading in the same direction, make it a little bit, you know, better pay. We will see. Okay, let me go inside. Now let's put it in the car, because I was lucky enough and I was able to grab an offer from Uber Eats for $17.50. $13 so I'm gonna get lucky and have some hidden tips. Who knows? Anyway, so let me repause DoorDash and let me get on the way. Kind of like Mexican, I don't know, parade or something going on. I wonder what it is today. Who knows? But a lot of like Mexican flags all over the place. So we go here. See what's going on over there. I wonder what they're doing. Now, oh man, give me a break. Now to get out is going to be a little bit complicated. So hopefully I can get out. Let me see what I park first. So this is the last pickup for the Multiapping. I'm pairing Grubhub with Uber Eats. They're going in the same direction. The payouts are okay. The Uber Eats payout is not that great, but the other is big. So I'm hoping I might have some hidden tips. So let me check. I got one for Richard. Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, I got a pickup for Richard.
For Richard, it's going to be these 3 bags over
3 bags, okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too.
Good. Okay guys, so we got 3 bags and I run out of hot bags. I left the other ones in the house, so let me put this in the car and get on the way. Guys, so we're here. I already delivered one of the Grubhub's pickups. So 6888. Okay, guys, that's done. Get on the way. Pickup is from Eureka. So not the best offer, but still $2 per mile. Yeah, just 2 items anyway. So let me get it. Let me go inside. Got it. Now let's put it in the car and head on the way. Here. Now, next drop off Uber Eats. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Guys, so we are here at Dave's Hot Chicken. We got the next order from DoorDash. When I took it was almost 4 miles for close to $9, so not the best, but better than nothing. The next one. Now let's get on the way. Hey man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay, have a good night,
you so
man.
much.
You're welcome.